Once upon a time in the small town of Melodia, there was a cheerful kindergarten teacher named Miss Lily. She believed in the magic of rhymes and often told her friends, "Rhyme. S are not just fun, they're the tiny keys to vast worlds of learning." In Miss Lily's classroom, the walls were adorned with colorful posters of nursery rhymes, and every day was filled with delightful songs. The children looked forward to her classes, for learning was never a chore but a joyous celebration. One particular student, Toby, found it difficult to remember alphabet sequences and numbers. Seeing his struggle, Miss Lily used the power of rhyming. She introduced him to rhymes like, "Ba ba black sheep," for cow, ting and ABC songs for the alphabet. Toby was enchanted. The rhymes were catchy and easy to remember. He found himself reciting them while playing, eating, and even during sleep. As weeks passed, not only did Toby improve dramatically, but other classmates also started to exhibit better memory skills and enhanced vocabulary. Miss Lily knew the rhymes were doing their magic. One day, the school principal visited Miss Lily's class. She was delighted to see such lively learning and asked Miss Lily the secret behind this transformation. With a bright smile, Miss Lily explained, "Rhymes make learning effortless. They improve memory, teach rhythm, and make abstract concepts tangible for young NDS." Impressed, the principal decided to implement rhyming in all the kindergarten classes, making Melodia a town where every child found joy and education in simple, melodious verses. And so, by the simple craft of rhymes, Miss Lily didn't just teach. She transformed learning into an enchanting and enduring adventure for all her students.